Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get enrolled in free online courses and also how to get free certificate along with that. Before that, if you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Welcome back guys. Today I am gonna show you some free online courses. Then this video is only for civil engineers. If you are from another branch or if you aren't a civil engineering student or professional, you can skip this video. But before going, please hit the like button. Okay. Now back to the video. Here you can see here the course is provided by Infratech. Here you can see there are free and paid courses. In this video I am going to show you some free courses where you can enroll and get certificates. Okay, course number 1, it is free AutoCAD online course for student beginners. It is here you can see the course is absolutely free. Here you can see this is a free AutoCAD online tutorial training course for beginners. It will teach the basic commands of AutoCAD. Okay, this is not an advanced or intermediate course. This is only for the beginner level students. Okay, it contains 2 to 10 hours. It takes to complete 2 to 10 hours. This includes around 20 practice exercise and videos. Okay guys, this is I think this is good course for civil engineering student. Okay, here is a model of the certificate. Here you can see your name will be printed and student ID. Also it is a verify, you can verify the certificate here. Okay, moving down. Okay, here you can see the course curriculum. Here it is introduction, interface, creating basic objects, controlling objects, working with blocks, object snap and auto mode. Okay, or whatever it is. Okay, going on to the next. The course is Civil 3D training course for beginners. Get started with basics of Civil 3D. Here you can see the level 1 is free but the level 2 is a paid version. Okay, you can enroll in the free level 1 and get the certificate for that course. Okay, here you can see the course curriculum: introduction, Civil 3D interface, Civil 3D style, surveying, surfaces, alignments, profiles, corridors, pipe netters, etc. Okay, the course features, okay, it includes 2 hour duration. The course duration is 2 hours. Lecture, it is includes 48 lectures. Okay, the skill level, all levels. Okay, if you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced, you can enroll in this course and get the certificate. Okay, and after that, the link of these courses will be provided in the description below. Okay, moving on to the last and final course. It is free Revit online course for student beginners. Okay, you all know Revit is building information modeling software for architects, structural engineers, designers and contractors, developed by Autodesk. Okay, here you can see the course is absolutely free and also a certificate. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to get enrolled in this course. Okay, how to enroll in this course. Okay, for that, here you can see a sign in button. Click that one and you will be in this page. Create a new account. Okay, you can enter your first name and last name. This will be printed at the course certificate. Okay, enter the mail ID, create a new password and select the country and state. Okay, after clicking the checkbox, then click the sign up button. Okay, and you will be in this page. Here you can see that I am logged in. Okay, here you can see the course. Okay, and after that you click the link of the course. Okay, here you can see this will bring you to this page. Okay, here I am going to show you how I already completed this course and I am going to show you the certificate and also the course structure. Okay, and completed the Civil 3D training course for beginners. Okay, by clicking here you will be in this page. You can see the course structures. It includes video and also text based lectures. Okay, Okay, and after here it is saying that 0% complete. If when the course is 100% complete, you will be able to get the certificate. Okay, okay, here you can click complete and continue. Okay, and after the all these course, the it will see 100% complete, and I will show you. Okay, here it goes. Okay, civil 3D for beginners level 1 100% complete, and here you can see get your certificate. Okay, when you click the this link, you can see the certificate. Here you can see the certificate which I got, certificate of completion. You can download the certificate by clicking here, and also you can share the certificate in LinkedIn, Facebook or Twitter. Okay guys, this brings us to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.